up, everybody? It's JP with Sarap Shop. Thank you for tuning in to our first cooking demo of our tofu sisig, staple in our truck. Yeah, featured in today's meal, this week's meal kit. All right, so first off, what you want to do is get your little frying pan, cooking utensil of your choice. Heat up the pan to like medium high heat. And so while that's heating up, grab yourself a drink. So, what we have for you prepared in your tofu sisig meal kit are some white rice, prepped out tofu, our house sisig sauce, and our diced red onions, minced garlic, and sliced serranos for you. What's not included is your cooking oil. So, grab your cooking oil of choice, about a tablespoon or so. Put in your hot pan. Swirl that a little bit so the tofu doesn't stick. And grab your tofu. You want that sizzle. Make sure you get all of the tofu out. Set your container aside. So what you want to do is brown the tofu. It'll help add some texture to while you eat it. So while that's browning, have a drink. Cheers. So you want to move it a little bit, get the other side brown. So what you're basically doing is kind of frying the tofu, so when you add the sauce later, it'll help absorb the flavor. So when you bite into it, you'll get first the sisig flavor as you eat. Alright, look at that. It's pretty good. Okay, if it sticks a little bit, scrape those crispy bits off. That'll get some nice texture to the whole dish. Alright. When you got it brown like this, and we already have the diced red onions, minced garlic, and sliced serranos for you. Just add it in there. Get every piece, and there's no waste. So if you don't want it too spicy, feel free to just take out the serrano peppers. It's totally okay. Eat it how you want. Alright, so you want to briefly cook it just to release the aromas. So you don't want to cook it for too long or else you'll burn the garlic. And we have our house sisig sauce here. Easy for you to pour on your dish. And it'll sizzle, and kind of braise the tofu. And what you want to do is braise it a little bit and reduce the sauce. While that's cooking, have another drink.
I was going to say heat up the rice.
Oh yeah.
Right, good point. Forgot about that. So we included some white rice for you as well. What you could do is you could either microwave it for a minute, sprinkle some water, or when you're done cooking the tofu sisig, you can fry the rice in that sauce, make like a sisig rice. Yeah, those are your options.
What are some common mistakes people might encounter when doing this for the first time?
Having a pan that's too hot, burning the garlic.
Moving it around too much early so that it doesn't
Right, yeah. What Kristen was saying, you don't want to move it too much early on. You really want to keep it still so it really sears and fries each side of the tofu. Look at that, it's pretty much done. So you want to turn off your heat. Wow, this looks great. Time to eat. So steamy.
Eat it.
Alright. So, eat it how you would eat anything else. Grab a little bit of your meal, your protein, your tofu sisig, a little bit of rice. Make sure you got some onions and garlic and serranos in there.
Make sure it's not hot. Well, that is a thing. Let it cool first.
Let it cool down a little bit. You don't want to burn your mouth or your tongue. Man, that's good. I think you're really going to enjoy this week's meal kit. Thanks for tuning in, and hope you enjoy this week's meal kit.